My challenge: how do I combine output from a Tableau workbook and Web Intelligence report into a single deliverable? The solution? Use InfoBurst Tab's Content Grouping feature to combine Tableau and Webby content into a single PDF or Excel file. This is my City Sales Metrics Webby report, and I'd like to combine that with my Sales Summary Tableau workbook. In InfoBurst, we add those two items to a burst, our Webby report, and our Tableau workbook. And then we set up our grouping. We'll group to PDF, where we'll deliver to the InfoBurst portal. We could also deliver to email, SharePoint, or a variety of other destinations. Next, we'll add our burst to a schedule. We'll set the schedule to run Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. And now we can kick off the schedule to view the content grouping output. Here in the InfoBurst portal, we can view the PDF. The single PDF file contains a table of contents which directs us to both our Web Intelligence report content and Tableau workbook content.